Hi everyone. Last lecture you will see the definition of this act. In that definition of pharmacy, Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drug, definition of drug. In that four clauses of drug. What is the cosmetics? Who is the government analyst? Who is the drug inspector? What is a manufacturer? Manufacturer is the process for the making, finishing and labeling, breaking up the product with the view of its sale. Then patent or proprietary medicine, misbranded drug, adulterated drug. Now today you will see the remaining definition of this act. In that definition of spurious drug. In that this spurious drug, it having five clauses. In that first clause, if it is imported under a name which belong to another drug, name belong to the drug, another drug name for the spurious drug. Then next clause, it is an initiation of the substitute for another drug or resemble another drug in a manner likely to receive or bear upon or it upon its label or container the name of another drug unless it is plainly or marketed so as to reveal its true character and its lack of identity with which such another drug. It gives the lack of identity by the labeling or container bearing a name of another drug. Next clause, it is the label or container bear the name of individual or company purporting to be a manufacturer of the drug which individual or company in fixation or does not exist. The label or name gives the individual or manufacturer name or company purpose name to the drug. Now next the clause, it is the has been substitute wholly or part by the another drug or substance. In part or whole part, it will be substituted by another drug. In the last clause, it is a purports to the product or manufacturer or whom it is not truly a product. It's not a truly product. It's a product of a manufacturer. These are the example of spurious drug. The next definition, a misbranded cosmetics. You will see last lecture the misbranded drug. Now, what is a misbranded cosmetic? In that three clause, first clause, it is the contains a color which is not prescribed. It is a not label in prescribed manner. It is a label or container or anything occupying the cosmetic bear any statement which is false or misleading in any particular. It gives the misleading information to the patient. These are the misbranded cosmetics. Now, definition of adulterated cosmetic. Uh, Last lecture you see the adulterated drugs. Now, same the adulterated cosmetic. It having six clauses. First, it is a consist of part or phyti, putrid or decomposed substance. Putrid, a pure impure material in that part of a sample. Then it is has been prepared, packed or stored under insanitary condition where it may be have been contaminated with the filth or whereby it may has been rendered injurious to the health. The product, it will be injurious to the health of the patient. Now next clause, it is, contains a compost in whole or in part of any poisonous or delicious substance which may render the contents injurious to the health. If it is a beer, contains for a purpose of coloring only, a color other than one which is prescribed. The standard color, it will be not used in this formulation or in this cosmetic, so it forms a adulteration in their formulation. Now if it is a contains any harmful or toxic substance which may be rendered is injurious to the health of a patient, any harmful substance or toxic substance, it will be mixed in the cosmetic formulation, it renders its injurious to the health. Now, last clause, it is and it if any substance has been mixed therewith so as to be reduce this quality or strength. These are the example: adulterated cosmetics, adulteration in the deodorant. Now, a definition of spurious cosmetic. You see, now today you see the spurious here the spurious cosmetic. First clause, it is imported under the name which belong to the another cosmetics. In spurious drug, it belong to the another drug. Here it is imported under name which belong to the another cosmetic. If it is a limitation imitation of a drug substitute for another cosmetic or resemble another cosmetic in a manner likely to deceive, bear upon it or upon its label or contain the name of another cosmetic unless it plainly conscious marketed so as to reveal its true character and it is lack of identity with such another cosmetic. Now next, it is a label or container or does not exist bear the name of individual or company purporting to the manufacturer of the cosmetic which individual or company in fictitious. Last clause, if it is purports to be the product of manufacturer of whom it is a truly a product. These are the spurious cosmetics. Now, definition of loan license. A loan license granted to the person who do not have his own arrangement of the manufacturer but who intended to the avail himself of the manufacturer facilities owned by another manufacturer. The person who have no its own arrangement or own manufacturing arrangement. So it depends on another manufacturer facility or owned by another manufacturer. This is the loan licenses. Now next, retail sale. It means a sale other than a sale by way of wholesale dealing whether to hospital or a dispensary or a medical, educational or research institute or a to any other person. Retail sale, that will be sale by way of wholesale dealing whether a hospital or dispensary or medical educational or research institute or the any person who have a in research field. Now next definition, sale by way of wholesale dealing. What is a sale by wholesale dealing? It means a sale to a person of selling again and includes the sale of hospital or dispensary or medical, educational or research institute or to any other person. The person who is selling again or includes sale to the hospital, dispensary or medical, educational or research institute or any other person. Then next definition, leukapheresis. It means the process by which the blood drawn from a donor after leukocytes concentrate have been separate its retransfused simultaneously is to said donor. Leukapheresis is a leukocytes concentration have been separated in transfused simultaneous into said donor. Then a plasmapheresis, it means a process by which the blood drawn from a donor after plasma concentrate have been separate in retransfused simultaneous into said donor. In leukapheresis, leukocyte. In plasmapheresis, plasma. Then last in platelet pheresis, it means the process by which the blood drawn from the donor after platelet concentrate have been separate in retransfused simultaneous in the said donor. So in that the platelet. Now definition of standard of quality, it means in that two clauses. First, in relation to the drug, that drug comply with the standards as specified in the second schedule. Then in relation to the cosmetic, that the cosmetic comply with as may by prescribed. It is a standards of quality. Now the last definition in this act, what is a qualified person? Very important definition in this act. What is a qualified person? It means in that three clause. First, who hold degree or diploma in pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry, who is the registered pharmacist, who has minimum 4 years experience in the dispensing and compounding or drug and has been approved as a qualified person on before 13 December 1969. So qualified person, first it having degree diploma in pharmacy, second who is the registered pharmacist and who has a minimum 4 years experience in dispensing and compounding. So it is for today's lecture. Now remaining or next point you will see in next lecture. Today you will see the definition of spurious drug, definition of misbranded cosmetic, definition of adulterated cosmetic, spurious cosmetic, loan license granted to the person who do not having his own arrangement of manufacturing but who intend or avail himself of the manufacturing facility owned by another manufacturer. Then retail sale by way of wholesale dealing, leukapheresis, plasmapheresis, platelet pheresis. Three definition are same. In leukapheresis, only word leukocytes. Then plasmapheresis, plasma concentration. Platelet pheresis, platelet concentration. Then standard of quality. Then qualified person. Thank you.